Ways your air conditioner can break. There are several common ways an air conditioner can break down. Here are some of the most frequent issues. 1. Refrigerant leaks. Symptoms: inefficient cooling, hissing sounds, ice buildup on the evaporator coil. Cause: punctures in the refrigerant lines or factory defects. Solution: professional repair to locate and fix the leak, then recharge the refrigerant. 2. Dirty or clogged filters. Symptoms: reduced airflow, increased energy bills, uneven cooling. Cause: neglecting regular maintenance and replacement. Solution: replace or clean filters every 1-3 months. 3. Frozen evaporator coils. Symptoms: warm air from vents, frost on coils, frequent cycling. Cause: poor airflow, dirty coils, low refrigerant levels. Solution: turn off the AC to thaw the coils, clean or replace the filter, and check refrigerant levels. 4. Faulty thermostat. Symptoms: incorrect temperature readings, unit cycling on and off. Cause: calibration issues, sensor problems, dead batteries. Solution: replace batteries, recalibrate or replace the thermostat. 5. Blocked condenser unit. Symptoms: reduced cooling efficiency, high energy bills. Cause: debris, dirt, and foliage blocking the condenser. Solution: regularly clean the unit and keep the area around it clear. 6. Electrical issues. Symptoms: AC not turning on, tripped breakers, frequent cycling. Cause: faulty wiring, blown fuses, capacitor problems. Solution: inspect wiring, replace fuses, and check capacitors. 7. Drainage problems. Symptoms: water leaks, musty odors, humidity issues. Cause: clogged condensate drain, disconnected drain line. Solution: clear the drain line and ensure proper drainage. 8. Compressor failure. Symptoms: AC not cooling, loud noises from the unit. Cause: electrical issues, refrigerant problems, lack of maintenance. Solution: professional repair or replacement of the compressor. 9. Fan problems. Symptoms: poor airflow, strange noises, unit not turning on. Cause: motor issues, worn belts, lack of lubrication. Solution: inspect and repair or replace the fan motor, belts, and bearings. 10. Sensor problems. Symptoms: inconsistent temperatures, unit cycling on and off. Cause: misplaced or malfunctioning sensors. Solution: adjust the sensor position or replace it. Prevention tips: schedule regular maintenance checks. Replace or clean filters regularly. Keep the outdoor unit free from debris. Ensure proper thermostat settings and calibrations. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any irregularities can help keep your air conditioner running smoothly and efficiently.